Want to build a professional, interactive mall map for your website just like this? In this video, I'll show you how to take a standard floor plan image, draw clickable store areas, and set up beautiful pop-ups with logos, categories, and descriptions. We'll do all of this without a single line of code, using a plugin called PickPoints. Let's dive in. I have prepared 3 images representing the floor plans for the mall, mapping out a total of 3 levels. The next step is to implement an interactive map by drawing clickable zones over the layouts. This will allow users to navigate through different areas, view vendor details, and interact with the map seamlessly. Let's create a new map. In the title input, I will name it Interactive Mall Map. The next step is to save the initial map setup. After that, we need to create 3 separate scenes, renaming them Level 1, Level 2, and Level 3s respectively to match our floor plan hierarchy. Next, we must assign a background image to the canvas for each scene. In our setup, these will be the corresponding floor plan layouts for Level 1, Level 2, and Level 3 of the mall. Perfect. Everything is good to go for creating our clickable regions. Simply select the pen tools from the toolbar and trace around the shop borders point by point. This creates a custom polygon area that perfectly fits each store on the map. Following the same process, we will create 4 additional interactive areas. Using the pen tool, we can trace and outline the remaining sections directly onto the canvas layout to map out the rest of the stores. Done. Now, select all of our polygon layers at once to change their visual properties. Go to the Hover Effects tab and set up a highlight color that appears whenever a user hovers over the shop area. Then, remove the stroke and fill colors completely for the normal state to make the regions transparent by default. Let's launch a preview of our map. As you can see, the interactive regions highlight beautifully whenever we hover over them. Next, we will group our layers together. This keeps the layer panel organized and will significantly streamline our workflow as the project expands. Now, let's set up tooltips for our regions. Instead of updating them one by one, select all the layers at once, open the tooltip menu, and click Inherit from Parent. This is a great shortcut. It means the tooltips will automatically adopt the styling and rules of the main group, saving us a lot of time. Now, let's set up the Tooltip Styles at the group level. We'll customize the layout template, set the background and text colors, and configure the placement setting, which controls exactly where the tooltip pops up when a user hovers over a store. Let's run a quick preview again. As you can see, hovering over a store now triggers both the color highlight and a dynamic tooltip displaying its details. Adding this contextual layout makes the map more informative and intuitive for the end user. In addition to the default styling options, you can add your own custom CSS to the tooltips. This opens up a whole world of creative freedom. You can completely revamp their appearance and craft stunning animations for how the tooltips pop up and disappear. To give you a quick example of how this works, I'm just going to tweak the font size and increase its font weight to make the text pop. Let's review our changes one more time. As you can see, the overall typography and look feel much cleaner and more professional now. Let's keep going. One of the best features here is that every single layer supports dynamic fields. You can attach custom text, true-false toggle booleans, image assets, or numbers to a shop. You can then pull those values right into your tooltips, show them inside a click pop-up, or use them externally through an API, giving you total control over how your map handles information. For every shop on the layout, I'm going to add extra attributes and fill them out. These will be an icon, a title, a subtitle, and a detailed description. We will use this exact data set in the next step to automatically generate our clickable pop-ups. Now that the dynamic attributes are set up, all we need to do is populate these fields with the actual shop data. It's a pretty straightforward process. Now let's get the pop-up set up. Select all of your layers again, go to the Pop-up tab, and turn on Inherit from Parent. Now, let's switch over to our main group settings, enable pop-ups, and choose the templates option. All you have to do here is type out your custom layout and use curly brackets around the attribute names we created earlier. This tells the system to automatically load the correct shop details, making it incredibly easy to customize the interface exactly how you like it. Let's test it. Now, whenever you click on a store layer, a pop-up appears instantly. The best part is that all of the text, icons, and details are automatically loaded straight from the custom fields we just filled out. Next, we will style it for a better look. First, we will modify the pop-up template by injecting additional HTML markup. This will expand our layout architecture, giving us the exact structure we need to apply custom CSS overrides in the next step. Now, let's paste our custom CSS styling into the editor. Once that's done, we'll open up the Preview tab to check out the new design and make sure everything looks exactly right. Following the same process, we will populate the attribute data fields for the rest of the layers. Once done, we can launch the preview to verify how these updates dynamically render across our interactive map interface. Once our layout is ready, save the changes and copy the generated shortcode. You can paste this shortcode onto any WordPress page or post. Let's check the live page. As you can see, the map looks stunning, and more importantly, it is fully responsive. It automatically scales and works perfectly on mobile screens, allowing users to navigate your mall on the go. That's how easy it is to build a modern indoor map application in WordPress. You can download the PickPoints plugin completely free using the link in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more WordPress tips. See you in the next video.